I've just taken the caliper off. I noticed this spring clip just broke on that side. If you see the crack where my finger is, there it is right there. And I've taken the caliper off, and sure enough, there are no bolts going through here. This caliper was just held in by this clip. That's it. And that's probably the reason why it broke. You could see where the rotor started rubbing on the caliper itself. I mean, I've never seen anything like this in my life. That's the hole. That's the hole where the bolts should have been. One over there, one over here. And sure enough, they're empty. One there, one there. I thought I've seen it all, but I guess I haven't.